In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background of any image without using any app, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. The first thing you need to do is to open your Chrome browser, then type remove.bg, this one here, then click on upload image, then click on browse. This will allow you to choose the image that you want to remove its background. Let's choose the first image here. Wait for it to be processed. Look at that. Very wonderful and beautiful. After doing this, you can click on download to download your image. Okay, let's click on download. Then confirm the download. You see the image has been downloaded and now it has no background. With this, we can replace another background to this image using CapCut or other editing tools. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video. If you found this video helpful, remember to like it and subscribe to my channel for more insightful tips like this.